Okay, so day 100 of garden Reno. What we're going to do is now we're going to get all the soil done. So I'm thinking the wheelbarrow, top bag, just dump mounds everywhere, and then we'll be using the self-leveling tool, or not self-leveling tool, it's the leveling tool, just to go over everything. Last night I went back over some of this, dumped some more sand in there. There was big dips. I retested it after I packed it all in. So I packed it and there was a big massive hole. So I refilled it, repacked it, so it's looking a lot better. It's the rain tonight. Got some wee cat has been there by the looks of things, digging around, wee prick. All right, so we'll get on with this. We'll get this self-leveling thing unboxed anyway. See what that's all about. There we go. Got one with the longest handle, 213 centimeters to give me the most amount of purchase or fulcrum point to really be able to put some force into spreading this muck around. Back on my trusty yellow wheelbarrow. I was very ignorant yesterday and didn't do a shout out to my good friend Christopher Napier, who got me this barrow. So thank you very much, Chris. You know, please send some donations to poor wee Chris. All right, so quick wee update. We've done a full bag. So we've only got one bag left, whatever's in this, and that is going to fill this hole here. Progress-wise, I guess one bag will do. We've got probably 2/3 of the garden done. So we're going really well. Progress-wise, we're going well. Still a few holes, but I don't know if I can do anything about those. One full bag to do all of this now. Big hole there, that'll take care of the hole. Hopefully get it leveled out and have enough left to do a bit more leveling. I'm quite happy. So far, it's only taken me an hour to do the first bag. So an hour bag now. Was due to rain. We'll get my baldy head. Absolutely burnt to a crisp here. Probably should be wearing a hat. My wife will give me a little grief for that. But anyway, right, keep on going. That's all we can do. Okie doke, that's enough for today. We're near enough through the last ton bag. It's looking not too bad actually. Last wee patch where the barrow and the bottom of the bag is. Still not 100% happy with this wee dip. So good enough to just take that last dip out. So that's where all the water was collecting. I'm concerned that the water will erode at that. I need to order more soil for my front garden. That's a whole other problem. Anybody on YouTube makes this shit look easy is lying. I hope I haven't made this look easy. That's Graft. The 2 ton of that shoveled around the place in 3 hours. Again, I don't really know what I'm doing, so that probably adds a lot to it. But all in, look, it's going to be a good result. That's the last of that backbreaking work really. It's just seeding, watering. What I'm going to do then, while I'm just watering and feeding, is we're getting all the rest of the yard all tidied up. And I think I'm going to do a wee list of all the toys and the tech that I've used so far in my videos, what some of the stuff has cost, to try and get some sort of build together already. All right, so we're fourth day running this week after work, and we're finally down to the seeding time. spent a bit of time there and filled in the last of the bag, so no more soil. That's brilliant. But we did use 3 ton of it, and I'm only another ton bag for my front garden. So another delivery charge, so it's brilliant. Like, gotta admit, it's looking pretty good. Have some magpies there, I don't know if you can see them. As long as I leave my camera alone. Gonna get some wee whirly things for the garden. Apparently you get them at B&M. Like kids' toys, you know, spin and spin and spin. Hopefully keep the birds away from the seed. This is today's weapons. I'm gonna fill on the concrete because knowing me, I'll spill loads of the grass seed everywhere. And then it'll just make an absolute mess. So we're just gonna do it here and we can just brush it up or wash it down the drain. This is the handy 22 kilo push, apparently. And we're using Leisure Lawn. It says on the back of it for 35 grams per square meter. This thing only goes up to 30, so we've just got it on max open. Just really gonna get at it here and do some spreading. So apparently for my square meters, which is 120 square meters, I need about 6 kilo. It's a 10 kilo bag. With that 6 kilo included my front garden. I'm gonna whap about half of this in. Didn't really think that through. It's gonna, as soon as I start moving, it's gonna go flying everywhere. It's pissing out everywhere. Okay. This is why I didn't do it. Look at it all coming out. Didn't do it on the grass because I knew it would make a mess. Just move. Not really coming out. Oh, it's pissing out everywhere, so let's close it. That'll be the key. Live and learn. I'm gonna put the rest of the bag in now. Alright, that is about half full. We've got it closed so we can move it now. What a piece of shit that handy push is. Stuff's just absolutely everywhere. Definitely wasted. Apparently you can overseed. But again, I don't really know what I'm doing. To make that very clear, it's just seed everywhere. Well, fuck it. We got coverage anyway. Suppose we might get this thing watered. Again, unless there's too much water. It's supposed to rain today. It's actually supposed to have rained all week. But it really hasn't. Kind of got away quite lucky, rather than making an absolute mud bath of everything. So that's been good. At least there's been one positive. But as usual, messed that up. But all right, giving that a water. I'll see sitting on top of it, so it doesn't make sense. We are gonna like going over with a lawn rake here. Smooth out the fish pin, footprints, things like that. And then another hour or so, give it another water. All right, that's a terrible idea. All I'm doing is collecting mud and just moving all the seed off. So it is what it is, I think. We'll just take a wee walk over everything, just try and plop it down. So I'll do a few laps of that. So that's us, finally, we're done. All the seeding's been done, trampled everything in. It was a really boring job. It was actually probably the most boring job that there's been. Just tramp, 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 tramp. I've re-watered now a couple of times just to really get a good soak on, hopefully get these things to stick. We're just in the waiting game now. We keep watering and watering. First time I've ever prayed for rain. More rain, less watering for me. what it looks like. Definitely not level. We're definitely not playing pitch and putt on it or bowls or anything like that. It was a hell of a lot better than it was since it turned green. Yeah, it just look a bit crap, but there are plans for that at a later date. They're not just going to remain full of grass because it's just terrible for strimming and everything, looking with all this effort just to have that. We'll put this all put together, and yeah, just be lots of boring grass growing videos. Very good at destroying things. Never grown anything in my life, so definitely destroyed it. Confident of that, and then we'll just find out in time.